Hello guys, hope you are doing extremely well. In this video I'm going to discuss this problem from today's Leetcode contest, and it is a second number problem, medium level problem. Its name is double a number represented as a linked list. Let's get started. It is given here you are given the head of the non-empty linked list. Will be given a linked list in which at least there is going to be a single node, and it will represent a non-negative integer without leading zeros. So the number represented by it will be always positive and without leading zeros. Leading zeros means zeros in the starting. It is telling that there will be no unnecessary zeros in the starting, and we have to return the linked list after doubling it. We have to consider it as a number. We will given linked list like this: 1, and next of 1 there will be a node containing 8. In next of 8 there will be a node containing value 9, and 9's next will contain null. We'll have to visualize this as a number starting from this digit 1. We'll write this 189. This is my number and I have to double it. I have to multiply it by 2. So what will it become? 9 2 times is 18, carry is 1. 8 2 times is 16, carry 1 will be 17. Now carry 1. 2 1 times is 2, plus 1 carry, it will become 3. Answer is going to be 378. But we don't have to return this answer as integer. We have to return this answer as a linked list as it was given to us. We'll return a linked list in which the head will contain the first element from the left hand side, and our answer will be like this: 3, then 7, at last 8. 8's next will contain null. I have to return this if I get this linked list as input. Now how I am going to approach it? See how we multiply a number. We have a number 189 and we have to multiply it with 2. If you notice that we start multiplying with the rightmost digit. Here also we have to multiply starting from here. This number 9. But do we have the access of 9 in the starting? No, we don't have. In the starting we have access of this head. This head is given to us, and we can get number in the order 1. After that we'll get 8, at last we'll get 9. But I want digits in this order. First I want 9 rightmost, then next in the left direction, that is 8, then next in the left direction, that is 1. But I cannot traverse this linked list in this way. But what if I reverse it? If I reverse it, it will become 9. 9's next will contain 8. 8's next will contain 1. 1's next will contain null. Now, can I work with this linked list? Yes, of course. I want 9 in the starting. I'm getting it. It is in the head. And also after that, I want 9, 8, 1 from left to right. Digits from left to right. And yes, it is giving me. It is giving me in the same order. So from here I can conclude that initially the linked list which is given to me, I have to reverse it. So first of all, first step will be I will reverse the given linked list. After that, after reversing, just I will multiply each digit by 2 as we were doing the multiplication, simple multiplication. I will multiply it with 2. I am again multiply it with 2, again multiply it with 2. But if the number becomes 2 digit by multiplication, then I will keep only one's digit in the node, and I will pass tens digit as a carry to the next number. That is what we do here. 189 multiply by 2. 9 2 times is 18. It is a 2 digit number. I keep here only the last digit 8, and I pass this tens digit as a carry. Here also 9 2 times will be 18. I will keep here 8. in this node, and I will pass 1 as carry to the next node. So at each step, what I am going to do, let me make some space here. What I am going to do, I am going to just let 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 me take this as all of these numbers as digit. Let me take as node value. Temp, which is of list node star type, and its value will represent the value of each node. Now I will multiply it by 2 and I will add carry, previous carry, each time for each node, and whatever I get the result, I will put in temp value what will be the ones digit, that is res modulo 10. What will be here, I will put in my temp value. Temp is a node, and in its value I will put the ones digit, and for carry I will do res divided by 10, means I will take this tens digit for the next node for adding in it, and after that I will get, let me perform the operation which I have told. So it will become 9 2 times will become 18. I will keep 8 here and I will pass 1 as carry. Now 8 2 times is 16 and plus 1 carry, it will become 17. Out of 17 I will keep 7 here and I will pass 1 as carry to this node, and here also I am going to multiply it by 2. 2 1 times is 2 and plus 1 previous carry, it will become 3, then 3 will point to null. This will be my linked list after multiplication. Can I return it? No, I cannot return it because you see my answer is in order 3 7 8, reverse of the order what linked list I am currently having. So before returning it I have to reverse it. I will reverse this string after reversing it. So this is it. This is the whole approach. Now I'm going to code it in C++ language. First of all, I have to reverse 2 times, so I will make a reverse function separately. So reverse function is going to return a node, that is the last node. So it will be of list node star type. Let me name it reverse. It will take a node list node star. Let's name that node head. It will accept the head of a linked list and it will reverse it and return the head of the reversed linked list. For reversing I am going to use the recursive approach, and this will be my base case, and in base case I'll check if head is null, means linked list is empty, or it is having only one element, means head next is null. In both the cases I will return this head only, means if linked list is empty means head is null, I will return null. If it is having only one element, I will return that single element itself. I will not do anything here. Now after this I will make recursive call. What I will do in recursive call, I will pass list. I will first of all I will make list node star type of variable. Let me name it small answer, which is the answer of the recursion, and I will pass the linked list from the next node to recursion. So I have passed, suppose this is the linked list, I have passed from 8 to recursion. I have passed 8 9 to recursion, and I have kept 1. Now recursion will return me this 9 after reversing this 8 9. It will return 9 8. Just I have to insert this 1 at the ending, which was previously at the starting. I have to add it at the end. For adding it at the end, I have to get the address of 8 because I have to add in the next part of 8. So 8 will be the last element of the linked list which is returned by recursion. I have to add 1 after 8. So I need the address of 8. How will get I will get the address of 8? 1 is containing it, you can see. Once next is containing the address of 8. So I will get address of 8 from node 1. So I will do heads next means this 8. Now again it's next. In its next I am going to put head. Now head is at the last, and as the last node it should point to null. Currently it is pointing to 8, but now I will make it to point to null. So head next will become null. Now I can return here. This is recursive call, and after that I have made small calculations, and I will simply return a small answer because it is containing the address of this node 9, which is the first node of the reversed linked list. Now as we have discussed, first we will reverse the given linked list. So here I am reversing it list node star reversed is equals to reverse, and I will pass head. I will make a copy of that for traversal purpose. This list start node temp is equals to reversed. From here I will traverse this linked list through this variable temp, and as I have discussed, I will first calculate what value I am getting after multiplication of the value contained in the node by 2. Int value is equals to whatever is in this temps value, well, I will multiply it by 2. And also I will add previous carry. Initially carry will be 0, so I am defining here carry that will be 0 initially, and after finding out the value I will insert the unit digit in this node itself. So temp val will be value modulo 10, and carry will be value divided by 10. So here I will take the remainder means unit digit, and here I will take ones digit because it is an integer division. It will not give me answer in decimal, it will give me whole number, so I will automatically get the tens digit in the carry. That I'm going to add it in the value of next node after multiplying it by 2. Now I will move ahead my temp by one position. So temp is equals to temp next. Now this is the case where we have to add one node. There will be a case in this. Let me show you this example 999. Here you see in the output there is one extra node which is 1. So if carry remains, we have to add one extra node at the end of the linked list. After reversing, it will come in the starting. So here I am checking if after doubling all the digits, does carry remains. We'll check. Is it value other than 0? If it is, then I have to add a node in the last digit. So how will get the last node? I have to add this at the last node. See, let me show you here. I have this number 9, then 9, then 9. I'm getting this as input. After reversing it, I will get the same linked list, as it won't make any difference. Now I will start from here. I'll multiply it by 2. 9 2 times is 18. I will keep 8 here and give this 1 to the next node as carry. Now I will again multiply it by 2. 9 2 times is 18, and I will add carry, previous carry. So 18 plus 1, 19. I will keep 9 here and send this 1 here as carry to next node, and again I am going to multiply it by 2. 9 2 times is 18 plus 1 carry, 19. So 9 is here out of 19, and again 1 will be carry, but there is no node. So I have to create one node here, and I have to add in the next of the last node. I will create one node, and like this I will insert 8 in the next of the last node. But how will I get address of this last node? As you see, while traversal, I am traversing through temp, and I will come out of this while loop when temp becomes null. When temp comes to null means this temp is here right now, and I cannot, from this null I cannot get address of this previous node. So I have to carry one, I have to keep one previous variable for storing the address of previous nodes. So when temp will be at null, previous will be pointing to this node, and I will make one node here, and whatever carry is there I will write it, and then I have, as you know, I will be returning a reverse linked list. So automatically this one will come, this will be my new linked list. Here it will be the connection. One will be in the starting, after reversing one will come in the starting, and 8 will come at the end. My linked list will become 1 9 9 8. So for the purpose of creation of the new node, after checking the carry, I am making here a previous pointer which will be pointing to the previous node all the times. List node start type previous, initially pointing to head, and when we move temp to next, I will keep it in the previous. Alright, so if carry remains after the traversal of the linked list, if carry remains, then simply I am going to create a new node. So for creation of new node, I will do this list node star new node is equals to, I will use new operator here, list node, and I will pass value here, that will be carry. Now I have successfully created the node, and I have to attach it to the last node. Last node's address is currently in previous, so previous next will become new node. Alright, now we have successfully calculated the result after multiplying the number represented by the linked list. Now we have to reverse it, and we'll take it in a list node star type of variable. Let's take it in head and reverse it. Reverse, I'll be reversing this reverse linked list. I have made changes in it, but the address of the head will still remain in this reversed variable. So I will pass here reversed, then I will return this head. It will return me the address of the last node, and I will return this head. It will get stored in head. I will return this head. Now let's try to run it. Yes, the given test cases are passed. Now submitting it. Yes, it got successfully submitted. Hope you understood the problem, and we'll meet in next video. Thank you.